All new Monday, 10 9 Central on ABC.
That was the name I was gonna...
Rock and roll?
Yeah, rock and roll. Crazy kid.
Someone's in the ship.
Get mommy.
Living with 3 daughters is tough.
Get mommy.
Good talk. And ABC Tuesday. Tim Allen could lose
Okay, get grandma.
because your history breaks, I'm gonna move your curfew back to 10 o'clock.
No, but me and Travis have tickets to Friday.
Travis and I.
You're going with Travis.
Because one daughter will push the limit.
Why would you say that?
Tim Allen is Last Man Standing. All new Tuesday at 8, 7 Central on ABC.
Yeah.
Guys, Vanessa Lachey here backstage at the 2011 American Music Awards. It's madness back here. I mean, we have 17 performances. That means 17 set changes. That's 17 groups of dancers. There's a lot of hairspray and glitter back here. 8 collaborations going on. That's a history for the American Music Awards. And also, I just want to mention earlier that award that Katy Perry got was her Achievement Award for 5 singles on one album. Michael Jackson was the very first artist to get that award with his 5 singles on one album. Prince also got the award for his achievements, and Mariah Carey got the award for her achievements. But Katy Perry is the first female to do it on one album, so props to her on that. We've got Drake coming up with a 6th performance, and at the very end of the American Music Awards, the finale might be the best finale you will ever see. Surprises. That's all I gotta say. Right now, we're gonna get back to the live show. I hope you guys are enjoying it.
Great job, Vanessa. He's a music legend and not just in name only. Please welcome John Legend.
The New York Times just said our next performer is hip-hop's center of gravity. That's heavy. It's my honor to introduce Drake.